So we are gonna take this Manjaro apart because the needle in here bent. And you can also take these apart because it's only for a single use for the whole 10 mg. So if you want to do maybe 1 mg per day or whatever, you can microdose. The reason I'm taking this out is because the needle in here bent. So I'm gonna take the formula out of the original pen and I'm going to withdraw it into a needle and then we're gonna inject it that way. What I use is a simple can opener. I don't have any tools, but I've done this before and it did work. And you wanna make sure that you twist, and you wanna twist towards the left, towards the lock side so it doesn't inject. So what you're gonna do is you are going to position this like this, and you're going to pull out and twist. So you're gonna pull out, so you're gonna pull, and twist at the same time. Remember, twist towards, twist and squeeze. That comes out. And there it is. Now you want to take this out. You're gonna want to save this plunger. So now, do you see the needle bent on this one? So now you have your formula and you can transfer it. Just push it down and transfer it to the vial that you want. And that's it.